The hidden shortcut to YouTube. Success surprised? What if everything you've been told about growing on YouTube is completely wrong? For years you've been chasing thumbnails, titles, algorithms, and luck, all while the real winners quietly moved ahead, using something else entirely. You see, YouTube was never just a platform, it's a system, and every system has shortcuts, the kind hidden in plain sight, waiting for those bold enough to look closer. Creators spend endless nights editing, posting, and praying for views, yet success slips through their fingers like water. Thoughtful. The secret few have discovered a different rhythm, one that bends time, multiplies reach, and turns effort into results. They don't chase the algorithm, they command it. Imagine uploading a video at lunch and waking up the next morning to find it's gone viral. No budget, no team. Just you and a simple AI-driven workflow that does in hours what others spend weeks on. It sounds impossible until you see it work, and when it does, you'll never look at hard work the same way again. Because the game isn't about who grinds hardest, it's about who learns the system. The truth is, YouTube's reset button has already been pressed. Old school channels cling to outdated rules while small creators are rising fast, powered by automation that amplifies creativity instead of replacing it. The new creators aren't overwhelmed, they're orchestrating growth like conductors leading a digital symphony. And soon, you'll be one of them. Hi there, my name is Bob, and our channel Or Money Game AI exists to help YouTube entrepreneurs, 50+, to learn how to master AI automation, using proven strategies to build your channel and make real money. We help to make it easy for you to implement. Our main market is the United States, but we need to help protect the incomes of people from all Western countries and others where your livelihood and retirement is at stake. Our videos reveal proven strategies to build your channel and make real money, not just from YouTube ads, but through affiliate programs, AI-driven tools, and automation systems that can turn simple content into consistent income. See links in our video. Comments to learn how. If you're serious about mastering AI for YouTube growth, staying ahead of the latest tech trends, and transforming your channel into a profitable business, this is where you belong. YouTube was never just a content platform. It has always been a system, and every system, no matter how complex, has leverage points. Hidden shortcuts that only become visible once you stop staring at the surface and start looking underneath. The creators winning right now are not the ones working the hardest. They are the ones who found those leverage points first. So, today we are going to pull back the curtain entirely. Imagine uploading a video at lunch. Nothing fancy, no expensive camera setup, no editing team, no massive budget. Just you, your idea, and a streamlined workflow built around modern AI tools. Then you wake up the next morning and your video has taken off. Comments flooding in. Watch time spiking, new subscribers every few minutes. It sounds like fiction until you understand exactly how it works, and that is what we are covering today. Because the game is not about who grinds the hardest anymore. It never really was. It is about who learns the system fastest. Here is the uncomfortable truth that most YouTube gurus skip right past. The platform is in the middle of a massive reset. Old channels that built their audiences on outdated strategies are quietly losing ground. Meanwhile, smaller, newer creators are rising at a pace that would have seemed impossible just 3 years ago. And the difference between those two groups comes down to one thing: how they use automation. Now, before you tune out thinking this is about bots or shady tricks, stop. Real automation is not about cutting corners or gaming the system with cheap tactics. It is about amplifying your creativity, not replacing it. Think about a conductor leading an orchestra. They are not playing every instrument. They are directing the energy, shaping the outcome, and making the whole performance greater than any single part. That is exactly what AI-driven workflows do for modern YouTube creators. Let me break down how this actually works in practice. The biggest time drain for most creators is not recording. It is everything surrounding the recording. Research, scripting, editing decisions, thumbnail testing, posting schedules, community engagement. Each one of those tasks chips away at the time and creative energy you actually want to spend on making great content. Smart creators have started automating the repetitive layer of that process. They use AI to analyze what topics are trending in their niche before they even hit record. They use it to generate structured outlines that shave hours off their scripting process. They use it to pull transcripts and repurpose content across multiple formats without starting from scratch every single time. The result is not just faster production, it is a compounding advantage. Every hour saved on logistics becomes an hour invested in quality. And on YouTube, quality combined with consistency is the formula that the algorithm genuinely rewards. Here is where the psychology gets interesting. YouTube's recommendation engine is not trying to promote whoever works the hardest. It is trying to serve viewers content they will actually watch and keep watching. So, the algorithm is, in a very real sense, on your side if you give it what it wants. High retention, strong click-through rates, content that matches viewer intent. When your workflow is optimized, your output naturally aligns with those signals. You stop fighting the algorithm and start cooperating with it. And that cooperation is what creators mean when they say they command the algorithm rather than chase it. It is not arrogance, it is strategy. Now here is the value most people miss entirely. Automation does not just save time in the short term. It creates what you might call a reach multiplier. One piece of content, processed through the right workflow, can become a YouTube video, a short-form clip, a community post, a newsletter, and a social media thread. Without automation, repurposing content at that scale is exhausting. With it, it becomes almost effortless. And every piece of repurposed content is another entry point for new viewers to discover your channel. You are not uploading once and hoping. You are casting a wider net every single time. The shortcut is not a myth. It is not some underground secret reserved for people with insider access. It is a shift in mindset backed by practical tools that exist right now and are accessible to anyone willing to learn how to use them. The creators rising fastest are not more talented than you. They are not luckier. They simply chose to stop playing the old game. They stopped treating YouTube like a vending machine where you put in hours and hope views come out. They started treating it like a system they could understand, optimize, and ultimately control. You are standing at that same crossroads right now. The question is not whether these tools and strategies work. The results are already out there. The question is whether you are willing to rewire how you think about content creation and step into a version of this game where your effort actually compounds instead of disappearing into the void. The reset button has already been pressed on YouTube. The new wave of creators is not overwhelmed. They are orchestrating their growth with intention and precision. And now, you have everything you need to join them. The only thing left is your decision.
If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.